If you have been getting 1 view, 2 view, 3 view, 10 view, 15 view, and you are wondering you've not been getting that type of view before, it means that your channel has been shadow banned. Shadow ban is real on YouTube. It's very much real. There are so many factors that have causes you to get shadow ban on YouTube. YouTube cannot just shadow ban your video. So in this video, I am going to be listing out what is causing this shadow ban on YouTube and how you can get out of that loop, how you can get out of that shadow ban problem. If this is a video you want to watch, kindly continue watching, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this video. So many channels have been making this mistake of doing some of these things I'm about to mention in this video. You have been doing it, but you don't know. Me myself, I have done it in my other channel and I have gotten shadow ban. I'm going to be showing you in this video right here. My video only gets 1 or 2 views. It means that that channel is gone. That channel has been shadow banned, and the only thing that can make that channel get out of that shadow ban loop is what I'm going to be saying in this video. Right now, I have already written to YouTube about that channel, and since I'm going to mention in this video what you are going to do on your own video if you have been getting views before and all of a sudden you are not getting views, and there are some things that you have done that have made your channel to be shadow banned, and which if you watch this video to the end you will not do them again. You will not make that mistake I have made and other creators have been making, so that when you upload, when you have a new channel or when you are continuing with your channel, you will not make that mistake again, so that YouTube will not shadow ban your channel. Yes. So what is shadow ban? What does shadow ban really mean? Shadow ban is when a user content is unknowingly reduces its visibility in the platform, whatever platform you are, whether YouTube, Facebook, anywhere, TikTok. Shadow ban exists. It's on all social media platforms. So whatever platform it is, now we're talking about YouTube. It means that your videos does not appear in search results, your videos does not get recommended, and your subscribers does not get notification that you have uploaded a video. It means that your video has been shadow banned. That is just what it means. It means that YouTube have hidden your video and put it somewhere. Then whenever you post your video, they just put it in shadow banned. Yes, they just hide it somewhere. So what are the causes of this shadow ban? The first one is violation of community guideline. I have talked about community guideline. You can go and watch it here. I've talked about it in my other video. Violating community guideline can make your video be shadow banned by YouTube when you are posting hate speech, violence, misleading content, misinformation. You are posting a content that is for children, whereas the content is not for children, and lots more. You can just watch it here. You will know that you have been doing the wrong things. You have been doing the wrong things on YouTube, not read YouTube community guidelines. Your channel will just get shadow banned. If you are lucky that your channel is not deleted, it will get shadow banned. Yes, it will reduce your visibility on YouTube. That is another way YouTube punishes creators that does not listen, that does not follow their community guideline. Either it gets deleted or you get shadow banned. Now the second thing, and this is the most important thing, you need to listen. Many creators are fond of doing this thing, deleting 3 or more videos in a short period of time, especially in the space of 90 days. You have deleted 3 or more videos, whether it's short, whether it's long form. You've deleted thousands of videos. You are not supposed to do that. YouTube algorithm track users, and this determines whether your account will be recommended or not. Those videos you have posted, YouTube is still trying to figure out who they will recommend your video to. That is what it means. And you have deleted that browsing data from your subscribers history, from your people that watched your video. You have deleted that data from their watch history. You know that you have a watch history. Whenever you watch a video on YouTube, YouTube will take you back to going back to watching that video. If you've not finished watching that video, that is your watch history. And if that creator deleted that video, you will not see that video anymore, and YouTube will not recommend that creator's video to you. That is just how your channel is to other people. YouTube will not recommend your video to those people anymore, because that data has been erased, and YouTube will not have anything to influence them to push your videos to more people. They will not do it anymore. Instead of you to delete your video, it's better you put it in private or you put it in unlisted. Now, changing your channel name, this is what most creators does. do and they don't know. This activity you are doing is done by people that want to hack your channel. You as a creator are not supposed to change your channel name for any reason. If you have any reason for changing your channel name, you have to wait for some period of time, like 6 months to 1 year, before you change your channel name. If you are new to YouTube, don't change your channel name just like that. Changing your channel name, changing your country and the language, this will make YouTube professionals, those people that are working under the spam department, to look at your channel like a spam. They will think that your channel is being hacked and they will shadow ban your channel. They will shadow ban your channel instantly and they will put it under review for spam. Do not change your channel name, do not change the country, and do not change the language. Many a times, many of you used to change the country of your video, of your channel. Many of you used to change the country because of high CPM, high RPM and all that, trying to make more money because you are outside the country. This will affect your video, this will affect your views. It's going to really affect your views. Don't do it. Don't do it. The highest thing you can do with that, if you want to have people that are watching your video from outside the country, is to just put it in your location in any video. Put in US, UK, Canada, put it in the location when you're uploading your video, and that's all. YouTube will recommend your video to those people more than your home country. That is all. So changing content, like your content change when the type of quality of content you post on YouTube is going to shadow ban your video, is going to shadow ban your channel. Deleting a large number of video comments, no, please don't do this. YouTube comments, whether positive or negative, are all engagement on YouTube. You don't have to go and delete the hate comment or the negative comments. Those negative comments are there for a reason. It means you are doing something right on YouTube if people are posting negative comments, but it should not be too much. Both negative, both positive comment, leave it there on YouTube. YouTube recognizes all your comments. You've removed that comment and YouTube is going to shadow ban your video because they feel like, okay, they don't need to post your video to more people to see your videos. They don't need to do that. Anybody that comment on your video is one view. That commented on your video, they will post your video to more people of those same persons that commented on your video to want to comment on your video. Active or penalized AdSense accounts, those accounts that already have issues with Google. If you put it on your channel will get shadow banned instantly. Sometimes it will get deleted. You don't need to use those. You don't need to use anyone else's AdSense account or an AdSense account you already have before that YouTube has already banned before. Don't use it. Don't use any deceptive AdSense account on your channel. Don't use it. Don't use it. If not, you will get shadow banned. Now, continuous complaints about your channel. You know that people can report your channel, right? Yes. People can report your channel. Yes. So if you get continuous complaint about your channel will get shadow banned. They'll just put your channel down here. Any video you post, you will not get engagement. Incomplete or incorrect channel information. Yes. If your channel has incomplete information or incorrect information, YouTube will not recommend your video. It means that you have low views. It means that you just get shadow banned instantly. The low views will not allow YouTube to push your videos to more people. You will not get people viewing your videos. Make sure that your channel name, your channel information, your channel about are all complete and the algorithm has something to use to push your videos to your right audience. And the last thing, it can be technical glitch. So YouTube might have a little error in their system and all that, and you're having low views. Don't panic. It might be just a technical glitch from YouTube. What you can do to lift shadow ban from your channel or make your videos to get recommended by YouTube is to follow community guidelines. Make sure that you have read all the community guidelines and follow them to the latter. Engage with your subscribers by using your posts, by using your community posts. Type something and engage with your subscriber to see if your subscribers are going to engage on your post. Once your subscribers are engaging on your post, your shadow ban will be lifted little by little. You're going to focus on genuine engagement on your content. Yes, you don't have to buy engagement, use bots or any other thing, or drive traffic to your channel from any type of source. focus on genuine engagement, then the shadow ban will be lifted eventually. And another method I have discovered recently is you can wait for 90 days. Keep posting for that period of 28 to 90 days, but you can wait for 90 days. Eventually shadow ban will be lifted from your channel eventually. That is if you don't do any of those things that has made your channel to go shadow ban in the first place. Then it will be lifted after 28 to 90 days. You just have to wait, and you have to keep posting, and you have to keep engaging your subscribers. Now monitor your activities on your channel. Make sure that you edit content that are going to be problematic for you in the future. Always do that. Then the last thing is to contact YouTube support. If you believe that your channel has been unfairly shadow banned, reach out to YouTube support for help and provide details and information and evidence to support your claim. YouTube can either reply your mail to get further information on what you've written to them, or they will read your mail and then lift the shadow ban from your channel. But make sure they don't lift it immediately. You will have to wait for 28 to 90 days. That is how it's going to be lifted from your channel. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Put it in the comment section if your channel have been having low views and you think that these causes that I have mentioned have been the possibility that your channel was shadow banned, and let me know how we can resolve this issue together. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.